Here it is another video of proving the payouts. Everyone is asking me. The first question is, can you prove the payout? Okay. We do have a lot of video on our YouTube channel. Simply, guys, simply check that and don't skip because if you skip them, then you will ask me a lot of questions. If you don't skip them, you can simply check and see and understand how the payouts work, how these work, and everything else. It's very easy. On this page, as you can see, we are on the payments and we have the Shopify payments active. We have all these payments option for this store. Not every store is same. Every store is different. This store has all these options available. Now I'm going to close this page and will tell you the payouts because that's what everyone wants. And please don't skip the video. Check all the things before asking me a lot of questions. Let's go back on homepage. Here you can see last 30 days. We have online store sales, total orders, conversion rate. This is a 7K for this last 30 days. So now here on the right, you can see next payout. It's like to 1000. And if we click this one, and you can see all the transaction. You can see the payout date. You can see the status. You can see charge refunds and everything else. But I don't think it matters for you, but I'm sharing all the screen. So whatever it is, just check that out. So we have previous payout. It's a refund here. So you can see we have next payout that's coming on tomorrow. Today's 3, tomorrow is 4. Balance and everything else. So all the payouts are here. You can see. This is a simple store. It's not a good store, but it's doing well. As you can see, I think this is very clear. Again, let's go home and see everything here. I don't think it's very hard to understand. I think it's very easy and everything speaks clearly. Home page, total sale, next payout, and here are the payouts. Again, let me say, not every store is same. Every store is different. So keep this in mind. Once you create a store, every store has a unique number, and this store will be unique. It's there is no reason to be same. So that's why in some stores the payments are different. Uh, okay, something else we can see here. The payout date is one business day. 27, 28, 29, 33, 4. So this means the store has built a reputation. Once you build a reputation with Shopify, you will be qualified for one business day. However, the option is activated 1 business day to 5 business days. But in most of the time, Shopify sends the payouts in 5 business days until you build a reputation with the Shopify payments. And then you will get the payouts every business day, same as you see here. You see 1, 2, here 4, 3, 4. There is no payout. You have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. So I think this will help you a lot. If you have any question rather than this, simply contact me on WhatsApp or just write on the Telegram group. So the other guy will respond to you there if you have any question. Thank you.